Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a comp with the exact resolution and frame rate you need. This ensures alignment later. Once done, import and organize footage so you can find clips immediately. Drag each clip into the timeline on its own layer and roughly trim to synchronize action. Make sure to enable proxies for heavy codecs to keep playback smooth. This saves time while you refine layout. You're now ready to divide the screen layout visually and begin masking or using position properties. Next, focus on precise layout. Use rulers and guides to define split boundaries so edges match perfectly. Snapping prevents half-pixel jitter. For each layer, either draw masks with the rectangle tool for hard splits or adjust position and scale if you want inset panels. Feather masks minimally when blending, keep edges crisp for classic splits. Once placed, add an adjustment layer and apply color corrections so each panel reads consistently. Match exposure, contrast, and white balance to keep the composite coherent. To finish, animate panels if needed by keyframing position and scale or parent layers to nulls for unified motion. This creates cinematic movement while preserving layout. Once satisfied, pre-render test segments using Adobe Media Encoder with constant bitrate settings for consistent quality. Export the full sequence and verify audio synchronization and edge fidelity on a reference monitor. If you see halos, check mask feather and anti-aliasing. If frames drop, enable render proxies or simplify effects. One tip, enable show channel and alpha to diagnose edge and matte issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.